Hi. Henry, what's your favorite dinosaur?
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Why?
Because they're meat eaters.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And what's your favorite number?
6.
Oh, really? What's your favorite color?
Red.
And what's your favorite food?
Veggie burger.
Really? What's your favorite? How old are you now? Henry, how old are you?
2.
And? 2 and?
3.
When are you going to be 3?
I made 32.
That's right.
And she's a turtle.
Can you sing a song with me? No, why don't we sing dinosaur song? We are the dinosaurs marching.
We are the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Henry, what's your favorite song?
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
No, that's not a song. What's your favorite song?
We are the dinosaurs marching.
And what's your favorite song to dance to?
J-Ho.
How's it go?
J-Ho.
J-Ho. All right, you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.